a big investment. Obviously, I did the math, and it's going to take me about a year of using Lambda in order to rack up 40,000. So I thought, hey, let's make sure I'm super serious about this before, I want to spend a few thousand on Lambda first and then maybe buy the tiny box if needed. If not, I might use Lambda forever. Somebody in the chat threw this to me, so thank you to them. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your models on Lambda Cloud. And it's not the easiest, but it's not that hard. So I don't know where you are in your coding journey. I'm about 3.5, 4 years deep into my journey, and I've got a pretty powerful MacBook. So I've been running a lot of models just here. I have the, all of the. I've got like a 96 gig, 14 core MacBook, MX3X, whatever you want to call it. Clearly, I'm not super tech savvy when it comes to hardware. Again, I've only been coding for 4 years, but I'm going to show you exactly step by step in this video how to spin up a GPU now. And while it took me a little bit of time here, now it's only going to take a few minutes now that I know everything. And if you watch this entire video, you will know absolutely everything. I learned so much in this training. I learned so much, and you're going to learn so much too if you tap in. Go ahead and throw the 777 below if you want to be part of the 777 journey. It's spreading love, good vibes all day throughout the YouTube, the Twitter, everywhere you see me. But here, starting now, we're going to go ahead and spin up this GPU. All right, so I've got a grammatical evolution algo that's outputting a million strategies, and I plan to be testing at least for a year with multiple runs to test multiple variables per day to test different variables. Right now, it takes my computer a bit more time, more than 24 hours to run. My specs are below. I'm looking to use Lambda Cloud to make this go faster. It is very CPU based, but there's parallel processing in it to speed things up. You can see my specs below of my computer. We've already determined that which setups would be useful and most cost beneficial. It's either the 8X NVIDIA A100 or the 8X I'm using please be cost spare select. Okay, I'm still completion. I need more tests. I got so many tests to run. I have like 20 tests pending, and if that's going to take 20 days, so I got to figure out a different way to do this. And you can see here, this is the roadmap and resources at moondev.com. I made it a little easier for you to grab. Just go to moondev.com, Google it, or whatever you need to do, dude, and you can have access to it. It's free. It's 100% free, dude. It's 100% free. So you can have access to that, dude. And I'm working in it today because I need to I need to work with it. So wow, so look at this. It's a pretty weak comparison though. I've displayed the image to examine the details of the GPU offerings on Lambda based on your requirements and the details I've provided. I'll create a comparison of the speed and cost for running your grammatical evolution algorithm on both your current setup and on selected Lambda's configurations. The 8X NVIDIA A100 and 8X NVIDIA H100. I'll proceed with calculations based on hourly pricing and okay, so this is it. Estimated daily runtime hours 324. Okay, cost here for the 8X A100 is going to be 537. That's not bad at all. I've provided a comparison table. So I'm looking between the 8X A100, 8X A100 right here, 179 per GPU hour, and it looks like it will take 3 hours to that'd be amazing. But I've been getting 3 hours at 1.79 an hour equals 537. And then this would be essentially 2.4 hours at H100 at 299 equals 7. These are not bad prices per run. Not too bad of prices per run. I don't need to say that. Okay, so that's not too bad of prices per run. Would I be able to launch multiple of these GEs in parallel on different instances of the above? So for example, I could prepare 5 different tests per day and then launch 3 instances. Yeah, I could do 6 tests a day, 6 different tests a day, instances of the A100 and 3 instances of the H100 in order to see which one actually is more cost beneficial. Also, do I need to turn them off manually in order to stop getting charged? Or how does that work? If I want to test in the range of 2 to 6 new tests per day, how would I best approach this? So, I mean, that's not going to be crazy. So if I went ahead and tested 6, so it's $5, it's 550, 550 times 6. Okay. Yes, you'd be able to launch multiple instances in parallel on Lambda to run multiple tests simultaneously. This approach is beneficial because it would allow you to test various configurations and strategies side by side, giving you a clearer picture of which instance type A100 or H100 is more cost effective for your specific. Here's how you can approach it. Launching multiple instances for parallel testing. For each new test, you can spin up a separate instance or several instances. Need that. Need that, dude. Moondev.com is how you get to here. So go to moondev.com. You can have the roadmap and resources I'm working on every single day. I'm making it better and better. 2 fastest options. Okay. Launching multiple instances. For each new test, you can spin up a separate instance or several instances of A100 or test 6 configurations daily. You could launch 3 instances using the A100 GPUs, launch 3 instances using that 8x 8100 GPUs. This setup will give you insights into runtime and cost of each GPU, your workload, shutdown, automatic. You could set up your own schedule down, complete charge and automatic shutdown script. Ensure we have an automated shutdown script running or their automated schedule off, because this stuff is run by the hour. Okay. So automatic shutdown, okay, manual control. Alternatively, if you're managing the test manually, you will need to ensure you stop each instance once a test completes to avoid unnecessary charges. Scheduling scripts. You could also set up schedulers like cron or Lambda's own scheduling functions to run your tests at specific times of the day and automatically shut them down after completion. Optimize workflow for testing 2 to 6 instances daily. Set up scripts for each test. Create separate configurations for each test you want to run, e.g. different GE configurations, and save them as scripts or configuration files. Automate deployment and monitoring. Use a cloud automation tool like Terraform, AWS Lambda functions, or a script with AWS CLI to deploy instances, monitor progress, and shut down upon completion. Scaling based on demand. Since you may not always need 6 tests daily, you can adjust the number of instances depending on the number of tests required for a particular day. Using this approach, you'll be able to run tests in parallel, control cost efficiency, and quickly iterate on your algorithm with different configurations. Let me know if you need any help with any specific setup or scripts for this process. Daryl says, why don't you build a local machine? Because it's like 40 racks and this is way scalable. Scalable. 777. He said he loves me. Jack said he loves me. I love you too, dude. Much love. Much love, bro. Much love, dude. RG says, I've only basic Python skills for data analytics. Would I be suitable for this bootcamp? Absolutely, dude. Absolutely. I didn't know how to code before, so you're ahead of me actually. When I got started, at least. So he's asking about the bootcamp. You know, I have this free resource here of YouTube, 1,000 hours, 1,143 free hours of coding content here on YouTube, probably the most in the world. So, you know, that's always going to attract the naysayers, and that's fine. Much love to them. I hope their life goes well. But on top of that 1,143 hours of coding tutorials, I went ahead and put a free roadmap resources here and Discord. So I'm trying to give this all out for free because I believe code is a great equalizer. Some people have ideas and they say they're an idea guy. I was too. But once I learned how to code, now I'm able to build anything every single day. Homeboy was asking about the bootcamp though, and he was asking, he's got some background in data analytics, and he's asking if he's, you know, ready for the bootcamp. So I actually teach you how to code in the bootcamp as well. So not only do I teach you how to automate your trading step by step, you can see here, not only do I teach you how to automate your trading step by step, I teach you how to code. So, you know, if you have no experience with coding and you're a trader and you want to automate it, this is perfect for you. If you have a little experience in coding, it's perfect for you, dude. I've helped people that have been coding for 20 years. You know, you can go ahead and read all the people that I've helped, because this will give you good insight on who it helps. And at first I was thinking I was just gonna make this for beginners because come on, I'm only 4 years into the game. I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect. I don't know everything, but from the 4 years I do know, I put it all inside the boot camp. But what I was pleasantly surprised to see is so many engineers that are ahead of me that I'm able to save hundreds, if not thousands, of hours. So that's what the boot camp is, dude. And much love to everybody. I hope you have a wonderful day. I am diving deep today because I'm always foot on the gas. You know how it goes. Do you only code for trading, or did you also create sites like that? I only code for trading. I only code for trading. I built that one site in the video just for an example for you guys to inspire you. If I wasn't an algorithmic trader and if I didn't have the capital to algo trade, I would be doing what Levels was doing. So I wanted to kind of inspire you guys with that little walkthrough. And I was sincerely curious how he used all Replicate. Replicate is a nice tool that I found from watching Levels. So shout out to that guy. Shout out to that guy. Big shout out to that guy. Okay, so here we go. Let's keep it going here. And you can see, let me go ahead real quick and update this. So much love to you, dude. I'm passing love all day, 777. All good vibes every day, no matter what. No matter what, dude. Always good vibes when you come in here because the 777 means love, good vibes. What up, dude? 777. All right. So, um, let's get it. Let's get it every day, viciously, dude. It don't even matter what day it is, where we're at. Much love. Always, always, always. I believe in you, bro. I do. I really do. So, I hope you believe in you too, because you can do anything they can do. But I think you can do it better. I think you can do it better. If they can do it, you can do it. Yeah. Okay. Absolutely. Absolutely, dude. Right? Somebody else can do it. Why can't we? Yo, it's me, you, versus Wall Street, dude. Every day. That's why we're here. All right. So every day that we're here, we're gonna lock in. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and have her walk me through all of this. I don't want to do nothing. I want you to show me everything. So I'm well versed. I'm familiar with launching um folders to my VPS using remote desktop on VSC. It would be magical if we could do something similar with this setup of Lambda Lamb the cloud. Can you walk me through the process step by step on how to set up my my GE folder on Lambda cloud on the, which one are we doing first? The NVIDIA A100. We will start with just one instance. Please walk me through it step by step. Okay, so I think it's not going to be too hard. Here's a step-by-step guide to get your thing folder on Lambda Cloud and launch an instance on the NVIDIA A100. We'll use SSH to connect, similar to how you use remote desktop on your VPS, allowing you to transfer. Wait. Rewrite these rules. Rewrite these instructions, but please tell me what I cannot share on my screen for each step. For each step, put like a warning on that step. I am live streaming my code, and since this is the first time doing this process, I don't know what I can and can't share, but I try to share everything because I believe code is the great equalizer, and I want to be able to show as much as possible. Okay, that'll be better. Keep me a little safer, you know? Okay, perfect. So, got it. Here's a revised version. Step one, log into Lambda instances. Click on launch instance. Okay, launch instance. Choose the A100 instance, 8x A100s. So 8x A100s. Do the math again, dude. I think your earlier math we did was off because the total cost came in pretty low at 537 and 717, but I think that was per um GPU and didn't take into account both the A100 and H100 have 8. So please show me a comparison chart again. a comparison chart again of time and speed compared to my specs. I thought it was way off. There we go. That looks better. So it's actually going to be 42 per spin. That's more like it. That's more like what I was expecting. Like I woke up this morning and I was like, what, dude? Why is it so cheap? I'm about to run it up. So I think I'll do probably like 2 to 3 tests a day now. Max. 3 tests a day. I don't know, dude. We'll see. All right, so I'm gonna start with the 8x still, and let's go back to the comparison here. So avoid sharing my terminal screen. Okay, it looks like I'm not gonna be able to share much here, but whatever, I'll get it done. I'll get it done however I need to get it done. So choose the A100 instance, select type with the desired configuration. So A100 SXM, this one here. Okay, Illinois. I guess that's the only one I get. I would never go there. Select the operating system. Ubuntu is usually just grab that one. Add your SSH key. Avoid showing any screen with your retrieve the SSH connection. So I'm sorry I'm a noob, but you know, somebody's got to figure it out. Okay, so on step 1, after I pick the instance, it gives me this option. What should I do? For this step, here's how to proceed. If your GE folder, grammatical evolution data, is already stored in the cloud and available in the GE shown in the screenshot, you can select the file system. This will allow your instance to access it directly. If you haven't uploaded your GE folder yet, you need a new dedicated storage. Create a new file system. You'll then upload your files after the instance is launched. Don't attach. This option is not recommended. So GE file system, and then it takes me here. After that, it takes me here. What do? I'm just gonna say that for everything. I'm gonna go super meticulous at this because I don't want to mess it up. I have done this. Okay, a new file system called October. Then it sends me to this screen. So setup steps. One, launch instance, pick you pick GPUs, create file system, add SSH, or I don't know actually. Great. Now it's time to add a SSH key to securely access your instance. Here's what to do. If you don't have an SSH, create a new SSH. Create new if first time. What is SSH? Can you? No. I know it's like a security key or something. If you don't have SSH, create new SSH. This will create a key for you to use. Make sure to save the private key on your local machine. So okay, perfect. Yo, GM Alec, how are you, dude? Yo, Roet, good to see you, bro. Gonna watch the whole thing bit by bit. Fire, bro. Much love, much love. Hey, check out the roadmap and resources. You asked a question that gets asked a lot, so I just refer you to these frequently asked questions here, FAQs here. It's on moondev.com. If you're interested in this stuff, I have a whole roadmap and resources here. Super easy to get. Just click the button. I'll send it to your email. And it sends you this roadmap and resources, answering a ton of questions and a couple that you have already in the chat. So much love to you. I'm glad you found me somehow. And let's step on the gas, B. So generate new key. Okay. This key will make sure to save the private key and save it. And save it. If you already have an SSH key, you can paste your public key starting here in the text box. Name your SSH key. Give it a name like this, okay? Get him out of here, dude. Name SSH key. Similar to the name of file system. Once your key is added, you'll use this to connect to the instance of your local machine. Warning for live streaming. Avoid showing the private key or any details of the key content on screen. If you generate a new key, keep the private key hidden. Only share the public key if necessary. Please, 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 let me get 24 for code. Come on, moondev.com will get you this whole roadmap and resource. As you can see, every day I'm making it better. Ain't nobody share this stuff in the entire world, but I share everything and more. So glad you're here, dude. Much love to you. I really hope you get everything that you ever dream about, everything that you ever see when you close your eyes. Don't listen to nobody. If you got a vision, chase it every day. We got all the AI in the world, dude. We can do anything now. We can do anything now. After this step, you'll be able to SSH into your instance using this key. Let me know when you're ready to proceed with connecting to the instance. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead here and take this one off screen. So I'm gonna say create new SSH key, and I'm gonna name it GE October 30th key. And I'm gonna save it. Well, no, I'm just gonna call it GE key. GE key. Yeah, I like the August or October 30th because then I know. So I'm gonna create it here. And then I have like an agreement here. So I click create and it downloaded something, and then I have to agree to the above. Launching instance. Oh, it's launching. Oh, snap. So it launches right after this. So am I getting charged now? Oh my goodness. Cryptocurrency mining prohibited. gonna put this in new folder here. Don't F and delete. I'm putting my key in there. I'm about to jump off to NFA here. What up, chat? 777. Open this up here. Do you want to add the certificates from the file GE30 to a keychain? I want to view certificates, dude. Whatever, I'll get there later. I'll get to that next part next. Axe, what up, dude? GM, Alec here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and you can see here that I can't really show you this next part, but we'll see. It says it's booting. Yeah, it says it's booting. So the after above it starts boot. Let's go ahead and go instructions. So I've done at this page. I've done that. Now I'm at this page. What shall I do next? And how important is it for today that I don't share my IP to the stream? You know, I know that I'm not supposed to share my IP ever, but since this is only going to be live for like 3 hours training, there are like 10 people going to see this, and they do not have access to my SSH key. Is it that big of a deal? I will delete the instance when done. I think. Think about how to get the data from the instance before turning off. Guide me from this spot here. Guide me from this part above. Okay, let's see what she has to say here. You're right that sharing the IP for a short single-use instance with limited viewers may have minimal risk since someone with SSH key access could connect. Since only someone has it. However, it's generally best practice to keep it private in case an unauthorized person tries to scan for vulnerabilities of the IP, even without SSH access. If you decide to stream it, you can minimize exposure by avoiding focusing on the IP and quickly switch it away after connecting. Also, consider setting a temporary firewall rule that allows access only from specific IPs, if possible, which would prevent others from attempting. Here's how. Wait for the instance to complete booting. The instance is currently in the booting phase. Wait until the status changes to running. Connect to the instance via SSH. Once the instance is running, copy the SSH connection command. Open a terminal in your machine, paste SSH and hit enter. If prompted to confirm the connection, yes. Warning, on stream, avoid sharing the full SSH command with the IP and key path if possible. If the IP is visible, try not to linger on it. Verify the file system. So wait for the instance to complete booting. The instance is currently in the booting phase. Wait until the status changes to running. Connect to the instance via SSH. Once the instance is running, copy the SSH connection command, path to key, okay, and then user at IP address. Open the terminal on your local machine, paste the SSH. If prompted, hit yes. On stream avoid showing the full one, okay. Okay, so please give me steps. Please give me the exact steps from here in order to launch my GE. It's a Pony G2 folder that is currently run from my Visual Studio Code. Again, I know how to use remote desktop. If that is helpful, my end goal is to get this GE running. Below is what the current command looks like to run the code. So please guide me all the way through from the above screenshot all the way to getting my exact folders onto the instance and then running the GE. Okay, so let's give it what I give it. Let's give it what I give it. Let's give it what I give it. I give it my all every day because I love you. And I love me. I love Moon. So I work as hard as possible every day because I know I can do anything. And I know you can too because you're just as diligent as me, dude. You're just as persistent as me, dude. You work just as hard as me, dude. There's nothing different between you, me, and Jim Simons. There's nothing. Sorry. Sorry to break it to you, dude, but we just ain't as focused as they are. Come on, let's step on the gas. Let's get to it. Review of the day. Okay, this is a new one here. We're testing this one, I think. Yeah. So this is still booting, by the way. Refresh it here. We're still booting. We're still booting. So it says wait for the instance to fully boot. From the screenshot. Okay, let me get this set up then. This should be the path to my thing. So where did I put it? I put it in don't F and delete, dude. That's some negative vibes to be honest, but copy path name. I don't like that name. Just don't like the vibes. Please. Don't delete, please. Copy path. Get info. It's a beautiful day, dude. It's a beautiful day. Much love, much love. 777 to you, dude. 777. Copy path name. Just waiting for this to launch the instance, and then I got the things that I need here. Perfect. So I got the SSH ready. So from the screenshot, your instance is still booting. Wait until the status changes to running. Once it's running, you'll see the SSH connection. So wait till after it starts to boot. Wait till it's running. Oh, it's running now. And then connect to the instance via SSH. Okay, I'm gonna do that right now. So how do I do that, dude? I don't know, to be honest. I'm just gonna do it over here just in case. I don't know if I can share this part. Open your terminal and use this command to connect. So once the instance is running, click to view details. The authenticity of host can't be established. Don't scare me like that, shorty. I don't know what that means. I'm new here, dude. I'm new here. Please go easy on me. I get this. I get this, dude. I got it. I got it from here. The message is normal when connecting to a new server for the first time. Type yes. Okay. Thank you. Warning, unpredicted private key file. It is required that your private key files are not accessible by others. This private key will be ignored. Permission denied. Okay. I don't even know what that means, dude. Come on, show me something. Show me something, dude. I'm learning every day. I love this game. I'm so grateful to be here, dude. So grateful every day. Unprotected key file. I don't know what that means, dude. This generally occurs because the permissions on your private key file are too open. SSH requires that private key files have restricted permissions to ensure here's how to fix it, dude. Run this command to set the permissions. So and then make key file safe by running this command in terminal. Starts with a $sign. Wait till it's running. Okay. Step to set up instance. Okay, okay. Okay, now we can try. Try again, dude. In there. I'm in there like this is cool. Yeah, bro. Okay, so here, so after we and connect to the instance, okay. And use this command to connect. I already did that. Prompted phrase if environment on the instant connected. Once connected to the now system, you okay. So I given so and then in our system made okay transfer your, your pony. I didn't touch. Well, this how shit. I mean, now pair the instant two and pony machines. Info echo expand SA if using and to the other info connect the expand to and S O on your P pony. Interesting. I actually like that one better. Upload files. Um, in a new terminal. Mm. So I'm trying to put all of this stuff here so you can have it. So that's that, dude. And then I need to make this path a little better here. So desktop, okay. Grateful to be alive, bro. I love this game so much. Everything is hard. I love it. Local path to Pony G. Okay, this is where we put in the local path here. So I'm gonna go ahead and here. Okay, so copy path. Okay, I'm gonna open a new tab here. And I guess I just run that. Illegal operation. SCP, illegal operation. I'm not a big fan when it says that, but illegal. What did I do? I'm not doing nothing wrong, B. I'm just being a computer, dude. When try to SCP. Da, 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 da. So the error here is likely due to the ordering of operations in the SCP. The R recursive option should come before the source path. Here's how to fix it. SCP's failed. No such file directory. This is my file directory copy path. This is my pony GE2. Let's run it back for code 24. The error no such suggests that the, oh yeah. There is no, it's just GE October 30th. We don't need the mainnet part. I forgot to let you know. So she's just over here. Okay, got it. So let's just copy this here and let's get this running here. No such file. This out. I don't speak in my life, dude, and it's saving me 20 hours a day, dude. No dice. No dice. No. 777, everybody in the chat, how are you today? Hi, Kita, what up? Muhammad said, I'm thankful that I found your channel, bro. I'm thankful you found me too, dude. Much love to you. Looks like GE directory might not exist on the instance. Let's verify and create it to ensure that SCP has the directory. Here, here's the other terminal. Here is how I connected on the other terminal. This should help you figure, oh, big lick for soul, figure it out. Also, does the charging of the instance start now that it is running? I like it. I like some heat. I like some heat under me. I like it. I like it. Put some fire under your boy's feet. Put some fire under your boy's feet. Thank you for the screenshot since you're now in the GE30 directory on the instance. It's confirmed that this is the path correct for upload. Okay, let's try it out again then. Nice, dude. It's getting there now. Okay, now I should update this. So path to key, path to folder upload. Holy smokes, dude. Oh, that's gonna take a while. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Of this there because I think they're useful, but not for this. No reason to have more uploads here. Jeez. So I hit Command C. I hit Command C to kill the process because it was uploading an unneeded needed folder by CSV that was huge. How can I restart and upload the folder again? Yes, charging for the instance starts once it's in a running state. You want to avoid charges when not actively on the instance. Remember to stop or terminate. The file excluding the CVC, you can use it. No, 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 no. I want to use the same approach. I want to use the same approach, but because I already moved the files out of the folder. I'm uploading. I just wanted to check if I can run it again now that I uploaded some of the files and then killed it. So here we go. I'm going to copy this over and paste it up in here and see what she has to say. What's up, dude? 777 Ali, good to see you, bro. Good to see you, dog. Okay, since you already uploaded some files, you can save it, rerun the command, and we'll skip over files that were uploaded previously. Cool. Just wanted to make sure I can just re-upload the same things and we'll skip over the files. This is pretty neat, dude. It's pretty neat. So this is gonna take a little bit of time. All minute data. Okay, that was the longest one. So you can kind of see here. You can see up here. Nah, I guess you can't. But whatever. Whatever, dude. I tried to show you, but I can't really show you too much. Doesn't really matter if you got access to my IP, I suppose. So this is it. You can Pretty neat. It's going all the then actually gonna take dude. I can't dude. I'm very grateful, bro. I'm very grateful. We're at a point where we're scaling with freaking Lambda Cloud. What is Lambda Cloud, dude? What is Lambda Cloud, dude? That's crazy. How did we get here, dude? I don't know. I don't know. How do you pip freeze? How do I and save to same die? So I need to pip freeze this, dude. CD into this project here. Pony copy path. Copy path here. New terminal. Okay. CD up into here. Perfect. Pip freeze. Freeze. TXT. Oh my God. Let's say wait till I was running. Costs start at this point. So just be vigilant of that. This point here, this takes a minute. A few minutes for my files that are so something to be aware of. I'm spending like maybe not 25, but you know. Still uploading. Next time, remove some of the old results folders next time before running this again for speed. Okay, so let's go back to the we're almost done here. I feel it. Pip install R requirements. I don't know if I have that in there yet. I know I just downloaded it or I just made it, but I don't know if that command gets it from there or not. So we'll see. Still uploading files, dude. This is a big package. It's a big dog like me. It's a big dog like me. What up, 777, dude? Much love, much love. So the next steps are gonna be pip install. If you haven't saved yet, then can honestly, I'd rather not use all of these requirements. There's just so many. That's gonna take a century to run. So I don't really want to pip freeze it. Let's freeze. I'll pick 300 things. It's cause I'm using an ENV I have been using a long time. Is there any way I can see which packages are being used in this specific project directory and then only save those as requirements.txt? So here's a DRI. Copy path here. Fire, dude. If you have a pip freeze and you only want to save project, you can create a more focused requirements.txt. Here's a few methods. Manually edit the requirements, open the file in the text editor, remove any packages that may not directly relate to your project. You can also use a tool called piprex, which scans your project structure and generates a requirements.txt. Okay, that's what we finna do. Run piprex in your project directory. Navigate to your project. Okay. Run it. Nice, dude. There we go. And now let's run it back again. I'm gonna run the upload. It just finished, by the way. Oh, snap. It's gonna run through all the files again. Here, I'm gonna see first if it got the requirements.txt. No, it didn't. This is a new one, by the way, so there's no way it got it. So let's just run it back. Okay. Looks like we got some liquidations coming through. Be careful out there, fellas. Prices are gonna go up and down and up and down and then down and then up and then up and then down. And then liquidation after liquidation. We had a lot of liquidations early this week. We're gonna have a lot of liquidations the other way, dude. It's part of the game. ETH is up though. ETH is up for the OGs that know what that means. ETH up? What happens? I don't know. I don't predict price, dude. So I'm just waiting for this to upload again, to be real with you. So you can see here. It said it was going to skip over the ones that are already there. So it's going pretty fast this time. Let's go look at my dashboard of the GPUs, see what's going on over there. See if we can find it. We can find it first off. Okay, here it is. Running, storage, usage. So I've used 0.54 hours and I've spent $8 just setting it up. So that's a pretty cool metric there. Just in this time I've been here thus far, I've spent $8, 0.54 hours of usage. Span is 719. But I got the GPU A100, dude. So, she. What up, fella? What up, fella? What up, Ross? The boss. So still uploading these files here. So we finished, but then I ran it back because of the new thing that we just did. So that's all good. It isn't going to take as much time next time, hopefully. So it's running here, and this is a good time to let you know you can have this for free, dude. This walkthrough I'm building right now, it's all free, dude. On the moondev.com. Just go to moondev.com, Google it, whatever you need to do, you can get to a .com, bro. Moondev, my name, my username, bro. It's my username. Go there. You get the full roadmap here. To all set up so you can a very challenging my day lives and week communities are all frequently.com. You get my whole algo trading system here. I even give you code to strategy to your life. You got this venue generation ideas, strategies. You got unlimited ideas here, a book list. Some of the best books I've ever read on trading and coding. It's all here, dude. AI prompts. We're working on this today, the machine learning stuff, because the Lambda cloud set up and ML models on cloud. That's what we're working on right now. And this is all free. So I believe code's a great equalizer. That's why I share this secretive industry. Nobody wants to, so that's okay. I will. Everything. Am I the best in the world? Absolutely not. Of course not. Of course not. Of course not. Will I keep going until I am? We'll see, I guess. I'm here every day. You see me. I'm not going anywhere. That's why I do invite you to join the bootcamp if you do want to learn even a little bit more. I got the bootcamp here, show you step by step how to automate your trading with short, concise videos that you can watch anytime. You can watch these anytime, dude. At your speed. Next 15 days, I can teach you how to code too. So I'll show you everything, bro. Even if you don't know how to code, if you're someone who doesn't know how to code and wants to become an algo trader because you're a trader, well, that's perfect. You know how to trade. I can show you how to code. I can show you how to automate your trading step by step. and it's all here, dude. So everything that I know, I'm trying to transfer to you as quickly as possible. It's all, I have everything free on YouTube because I believe in physics here, and what you put out is what you get back. That's why I put everything for free, dude. These bowling balls here, 4 come back every time. You put out 4, you get 4 back. It's fascinating. It's Newton's cradle here. 4 out, 4 back. You give good energy, you get good energy back. You put out love, you get love back. You stay in a vibration of good vibes, love, good energy, then your mind is clear. You're able to attack any industry that you want every single day, and you see me doing things I should not be doing. People like me should not be here, dude. Technically, according to the jargon that we're fed. Come on, step on the gas. You can do anything that I can do, but you can do it better, dude. You can do it better. I just seen Jim Simons do this. You know, he ran up a few billion. So why can't I do that? Why can't I be Jim Simons? Why can't I be better than Jim Simons? Why can't I do that? I can. I know I can. The question is, how long is it going to take? It's not whether I can or I can't. I know I can. I'm 100% sure that Moondev can produce better returns than Jim Simons if he works at it long enough. I know that. That's a fact. But most people quit. Most people quit. So that just want to let you know that. And luckily, we also at this time have finished the upload, so we can move on to the next step. Yo, what's good, bro? Jav 777, dude. Much love. So now we have everything uploaded here. I can go on to, you can see it all got uploaded here. Oh, I do the pip install, pip requirements. That's right. Pip install now. Error could not find it. LS? Oh, what interesting. So after using the below command to upload all my files successfully, I tried. Oh, once the Oh, I gotta do it on the other side probably. Let's see. On the other. Nice, dude. Nice. Okay, I got it. I figured it out. So go back to the terminal screen that I launched the uh, Lambda on. Then cd into folder where requirements are. Let's say this. Ask. Uh, this is a cool package to only pip freeze um ones that are in use. Ask AI. Okay, so I only got one error here. So after installing the pip requirements, it failed just at one. How can I get that fixed and NumPy in there? I do check my map stock map plot repair. Once NumPy is updated, rerun the requirements file. Modify requirements.txt. If the above doesn't work, modify txt. So figure it out. Don't, dude. We clearly gonna figure this out every day. So I'm gonna hit nano. I'm gonna nano this. I'm gonna nano it. Nano requirements. Okay. This is gross, bro. I don't know how to use nano very well. So you can see I'm nanoed here. Find the line. Okay. So it says find the line, change it to 1.23. That wasn't too hard. Okay. Control X, then Y to confirm, and enter. Control Y to confirm, and then enter. Okay, that was easy. That was easy peasy beautiful. I'm a nano guy now. Dude, I'm a nano guy. I'm a nano coder. I've always wanted to be a nano. I'm so grateful to be here. Thanks for having me. Thanks for having me. I'm on my way, dude. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I can do anything that I want to do. So I hope you know you could do it too, dude. Let's go. Every day, okay? Please, please, please step on the gas. All right, we got it all installed. We're getting so close. Okay, so once I'm installed, got it installed. What are the final steps from here? Remember, the OG command was below. Dude, this is so great. I'm so grateful to be here, dude. I'm so grateful to be here, bro. Oh, I got the biggest smile on my face right now, bro. This is crazy. I don't know how we got here, but I was so scared today. I was so scared to do this today. I promise you, dude. I was so scared. I was so scared to do this today. So scared. I'm telling you, bro. I get scared, dog. I get scared of this stuff. This ain't my world, bro. I know I've been at it for a while now, but it's still scary to me. All right? So I hope you know that you can do this, dude. You can do anything. So let's go to 1030. Dirty 1030. That's a dirty 1030 for us today. let's go here and say, hey, we launched to, are we, I got, I got, I got the Lambda set up, now ready to run, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Just need to come up with a new test. So here's the OG. Okay. Here we go. Here's the OG here. Well, the OG from yesterday, but yesterday was a different day, and today's a different day, and every day's a different day, dude. So I love this game because every single day I get to test new things, and I get to see what happens yesterday, and then it happens today, and it's different because every day is different, dude. So every day is different, and that's why I love this game so much, dude. So much, so much. I'm gonna say that's 1030 here. I'm gonna say crossover probability. Let's try point 0.9. 1030 here. This was 1029 actually. This is crazy, dude. Today I'm gonna try 1030. I'm gonna try crossover probability. Okay. Here's an example here. Okay, crossover probability here. I'm gonna say 0.5. I'm gonna say 0.9. If this runs, dude, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose my absolute mind, bro. I'm gonna lose my absolute mind. Today I'm testing zero 0.9 crossover probability. 0.9 here. Low bunch of tests to run. So these are the tests we gotta run, dude. Test to run this week. Big dub, bro. Big dub. Big dub, dude. Jav, good to see you, bro. Big dub. Thank you. Okay, so here we go. I think this is probability now, and yeah, dude, I think this is it. I think it's it. Let's see. See if we can get this thug thizzle going, dude. np.non was removed. Use np.non instead. Um, Looks like I'm just running into an error here now. Stop. The odd thing is this code is working perfectly on my computer as is. What can I do with NumPy to make sure this works the same? Essentially, I got this error here, and it's just saying there's like an error in my code. In recent versions of NumPy on your local machine, you likely have an older version where np.non is still available. So check the version on your local machine. Okay. Um, New terminal here. CD. LS. 1.2.4. Pip install that, dude. But now I run into this error. Tricky, cause now I run into this error. What type of NumPy? Let's say matplotlib. Oops, you can't do that, huh? Okay. Let's go ahead and see. Let's get ahead of it. Let's get ahead of it. Whatever, I'm not going to do that because I don't know how to get ahead of it. He don't know how to get ahead of it, dude. He could do it, but no way. Do that. Why would I do that? Go, step on the gas. Come on. Good energy. Good energy out. Good energy in. Let's keep it going every day. Install compatible version. So let's pip uninstall that. Okay. I want to uninstall it. Yes. Pip install it. Okay. Run the fitness function again. We live, boy. We live. We live, dude. We live. We are live. Holy smokes, dude. We did it. We absolutely did it. Look at this. The grammar is running just like it's running here. This one's 89% done. Let's see how long it takes. What time did I launch it? Okay, yeah, test one. Okay, GE. So this is, what date is it? It's 10 a.m. on the dot, dude. Time is magical. That's the only time I'm happy about time, when I hit it on the dot like that. 10 a.m., 10:30, 10 a.m. Lambda launched. It took me an hour. It took me an hour. It won't take that long. Won't take that long next time, because I have the notes in Notion. Okay, so Notion's right here. It's for you too, dude. Golly, dude. CD into the right path and then run the code. Okay. Okay, setup steps. After the run of the GE, or the after the run, get data and terminate. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. What a day. What a day. Dubs in the chat. Thank you, Jive. Thank you, Texa. Dubs, dude. This is going to take the process down to 3 hours. I mean, that's what it said, at least. Let's see how much it costs. Let's see how much I ran up already. This is Dubs. Dubs in the chat, dude. Dubs in the chat. So much love. Wow. We can do anything, dude. I was scared. I swear to God, I was scared. You seen it, dude. You seen it. I've been running this from my computer for a minute now, because I was scared, dude. Just like learning how to code, I was scared, dude. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay to be scared, dude. Just attack your fears. Attack them. We got AI now, dude. We got AI, my guy. We got AI. Dun 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 dun. So far, dude. Okay, so I've used. It took an hour. I spent $14 to get this launched. That's so funny. spent an hour running this and took $15 to set up. Keep trying to be faster. It will be faster. It will be faster. It will be like 5 to set up next time. Okay, so that's fine. I'm good with that. Okay. But now I need to figure out. Yeah. This is what we need to figure out next. So here in the service retry, I don't need you no more, dude. I don't need that no more. Right? We on to the next thing. We're on to the next thing. No. You stop it right now. You stop it. We're moving on, shorty. We're moving on. It's time to go. It's time to step on the gas. The gas pedal is here for us. Nobody else. Nobody else, dude. The gas pedal is here for us, dude. I can't believe what a time, dude. What a time. Okay. I got it up and running with your help. Thank you un mil. Now, please walk me through the process of accessing the files on this machine. Specifically, I would like to download the cursor. I'd like to download the I'd like to thank you for your attention and your support, dude. Seeing these dubs and the 777s in the chat, bro. Thank you. I'm hype, B. I'm hype. This is so far. If it really gets it down to 3 hours, which I'm obviously curious about. If time is money, B. So I'll run it up. I'll run it up every day. Got the okay. Fudge. The path is not set correctly. That's right. Fudge. How do I do that? What did I do here? Okay, so okay, not quite. Save this for later. Copy. We're not there yet. I got a little hyped. I forgot about one part. How do I kill this? How do I caught an error. This will terminate the current process. Control C doesn't work. Okay. I need 20 more, dude. Okay, so it killed the instance. Perfect. All right, so the problem is I am running this code currently on my computer and it's using a specific path. The problem is that I need to change that path in order to run on the cloud now. How do I do this? I gotta upload the files. I've got you can see I need to change that data path and the grammar, the fitness function path to be specific towards this this computer I launched, this GPU I launched. GPU I launched. Please walk me through the best way to do this as I am running a GE on my computer right now, so I can't change in. Maybe I can nano change it. So what do I change here? So, yep, there we go to run. Okay, got to directory. This and this and then using file paths without altering the greater how to do it. I did with the path on your message. It looks like oh, by the specific files are set. The directions with pony file. I need the this function. I know that. So the two files I need to change here. There's two files. Okay, number one, two file paths to update. One, the fitness function, and two, the data set. Okay. So here, let's go to the fitness first because we know where that is. So also look at Pony G2. Let's look at that first actually. Pony G2 requirements run.ipynb. It's in the source, that's why. Pony GE, okay. .csv, okay, it's not in there. The fitness though, fitness calc here, .csv. So this needs to be okay. In the fitness calc. And I don't think we're using this one, but let's check it out anyways. Let me open this up a bit. I'm getting charged per minute here. So I'm getting charged per minute, dude. Getting charged per minute right now, so I have a little bit of fire under my feet. So open to side. And the fitness function has the data set. So what fitness function are we running here? Down here, I can see a fitness function is max number cache. Okay. Is that the only one? So fitness number cache. Let's go there here. Go there. Okay. Fitness number cache. We're using this fitness file here. Fitness. Well, what am I running? Dude? Fuck. I didn't. I changed grammars though. Dang, I was supposed to change fitnesses. So this is old fitness. On old fitness. And then testing on new fitness. I'm gonna say testing on new fitness. 1029. Tomorrow. Say testing on new fitness file. So you can see this fitness. Wait. No. I need to change it. Yep. Okay, there we go. Fitness calc. Testing on new fitness with elite. Okay. So let's just try it. Yeah, let's just try it. I think that's the only way to do it now. So okay, so let's get back to GPT. She's holding us down big time here. So navigate to the file of the instance. Okay. So terminal here. Okay. I forgot I had unlimited terminals here. Okay, so we're in the source. Okay, so I actually need to get deeper, deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. So let's go back to Visual Studio Code here. I'm gonna use full screen here. I'm gonna use my whole TV here. So I'm taking the terminal off now, but I need to get up into here. Fitness calc copy relative path, and then I'm gonna say CD up in there. No such directory. CD fitness. How about that? Okay. Yeah, how about that, dude? Nano Pony G2. Path to max fitness. So where do we put the path to this? So this, I know that. Okay, so let's handle that first. So I'm in there. I'm actually gonna exit because I don't know what I did there. Yo, get me out of. I got into Nano on the wrong file. How do I close? It's help mode disabled. Control X. Okay, so now I'm gonna go here to that fitness function. I'm gonna do both of them. Let's say ls real quick. Nano. Max fitness number cache. Okay, dope. I'm in there. So you can see that. But the what's the file path? It's here, I guess. And then how do I change it? Well, let's see. Let's just try it out. I'm assuming select all does not work. Oh, fudge. Whatever I did. Whatever I did didn't work, so. Hey, start. See. Phew. For all. Okay, how do I set the path like control and then Y. Sure. Folder is fit far. Far as these paths updated. Path max side. Both in there maybe? Yeah, that might be it. What file is the path to the fitness located? Yeah. That's what I'm curious about here. So I just can't remember. I'll start looking though. It's not in run. I can't believe I'm a nano dev now. Really, really crazy stuff here. Grateful to be here. Well, let's look through our README again because I wrote this down. I'm just having a hard time remembering of where to file paths. Like I did that. Okay. Initialize run here. May need to switch the directory here. Stats file IO. CD pony G2 source. Make sure to have all datasets and paths in the fitness file we are running. Let's see if there's any other things here. Datasets. Okay. I'm not talking to you, dumb. Shorty, relax. I told you I'm never gonna talk to you. I'm never gonna talk to you, Shorty. So back up. CD dot dot. Okay, we're back at it. Let's just run it while we're here, you know? Because fudge, bro. Let's just run it while we're here and see if it works. I think there's another thing I need to update. I can't figure out. I can't remember. I think this is fire though, dude. Fire in the chat. Fire in the chat. Yo, much love to you guys. Are you still getting a tiny box or using Lambda? I'm using Lambda right now. He got homework in class. Yo, my pleasure for the education. 777, dude. Yo, that's fire, Yash. I'm so grateful that you said that. Thank you for letting me know, dude. I always love to hear the positive feedback. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So much love to you. Thank you for making my day brighter. I'm so happy to hear that you started using APIs after looking at some of my videos. I believe code's a great equalizer, and I was so scared for so many years to learn how to code, dude. So, I know there's got to be other people like myself out there. All right, so now we got a GE running in the sky because I am Skynet now, and that's beautiful. That should be running. Now the next step here is I'm gonna delete that from there. This is moondev.com. It's the full roadmap and resources for your viewing entertainment. I really think this YouTube channel is just going to get better and better now that I have a third dimension to it. Of course, we've got the sexy Moon Dev voice. Yes, of course, we got the code. Okay. But now we have a whole nother dimension that can go ahead and I can put actual code in here and PDFs and just a ton of value for you. And just much love to you. I'm trying to give as much as possible because I understand physics. I understand if you always stay in a giving state, you can have whatever you want in this world, dude. I gotta give some love to the AI here because she's done so much for me today. She's literally taken us through this entire scary, scary journey, dude. Scary, scary journey. She's taken us through the whole thing. I'm so grateful for her. Especially, I would like to download this folder, this folder here, the results folder, copy path. But from my instance, not local machine. I said I got it up and running with your help. Thank you, un mil. That means a lot, 1,000 times. I'm glad it's running smoothly. Now let's walk through accessing and downloading the results files from your cloud instance to your local machine. Since you want to download the results from the instance to your local machine, you can use SCP to transfer files. Locate the results directory on the cloud instance. On the instance, the results are likely in the directory here. Okay. So how to don't do that, dude. use SCP. Use SCP to download the results directory on your local machine. Open a new terminal. On the instance, the results are likely in a directory called that. First, ensure this is the case. Run the above to make sure the results are indeed there. Then 2, run the script, adjust paths as needed. I need to do this one here. Path to key. IP. $24, Kobe. Thank you, bro. Thank you for leading the way, dude. I'm gonna keep going. Okay. So it looks like I'm just running into an error here. And that's fine. We'll just keep working through this. Replace path with the file in your local machine. You want to local machine path to save to. Okay. Whatever, that's it. I get this error. All right, sick. This warning is showing up because SciPy and NumPy are expecting a different version of NumPy, but you currently have 1.224. Since it's just a warning, your code should still run, but if you'd like to resolve it, here are 2 approaches. Okay, I'm not changing anything. F that. F that, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 89, 89, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 68, 9, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 34, 35, 36, 37, 30, 40, 41, 42, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. So, looks like I ran into an error, unfortunately. It's okay. We'll keep it going. I'm just gonna keep going until I figured it out, bro. Everything. I think that shows it shows for every I got this error. Every core it's gonna show. The LLVM incompatible object format error combines the not implemented pool error objects cannot be passed between processes or pickled indicates issues multiprocessing in combination with Numba and LLVM on this instance. This could be due to incompatibilities with the GPU cloud environment and specific versions of libraries installed such as NumPy, Numba, or SciPy. Here's how you can troubleshoot and potentially resolve these errors. Update or downgrade Numba and SciPy. Reinstall compatible versions. Okay, let's try that. Let's start there. I love this game, bro. I love this game. First off, I'm gonna go ahead and do what it said here because I don't like those errors. They scare me. They scare me. Okay, they scare me a little bit. Yeah, they do. It's okay. I'm scared. I'm scared to be where I'm at, dude. I'm scared of this game. This is scary stuff, dude. This is hard. This is hard. This is not easy. Please read the disclaimer, dude, because I'm still scared of this. 777. Do you subscribe? I subscribe. I subscribe to all the AIs, my guys. All the AIs. Because why wouldn't I? I don't know why. I would always step on the gas. If you're not going to do it, I'm going to do it. I have to, dude. I have to. Come on. Come on, B. I gotta do this. This game is mine. This game is mine. This game is mine. I'm here. I'm not going nowhere. Never, never, never. Let's run it right back. Oh, no. I did all that. So I did all that. No way I'm disabled multiprocessing. Get up out of here with that BS. Yeah, right. Awful idea, GBT. You good, though. That's the whole reason I'm here. Gee. Upgrade the pip. Okay. Let's upgrade the pip then. Let's upgrade the pip. Okay. Rerun it. Run it back. Run it right back. Okay. Run it right back. Okay, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's give it some good vibes. Let's put some dubs in the chat. www.moondev.com. I get all the dubs, B. This is my game now. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. Much love to you guys. I'm here to answer any questions you may have. And I'm going to keep stepping on the gas every day, viciously. Viciously, B. Viciously. I have to, bro. I have to. This is the time. This is the time to step on the gas. When they slow down, we speed up. When they slow down, take the day off, we speed up, B. Right? That's what we here for, right? That's what we here for. Right, dude? Come on. Let's get it. Every day, bro. Much love to you. Are we live still? We still live? Love. Much love to you. Much love to you, dude. And everybody else that's throwing the dubs today. Everybody that's throwing the dubs today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, okay. Let's go ahead and keep running it up, dude. I just gotta wait till this gives me an error or shows me beauty. I'm waiting for it. Oh, I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it. Let's get it. Let's get it, dude. I'm here. I'm ready for it. I want to see this roll, dude. I want to see it roll. I really do. For do it again. Enhance that may show you exactly. Go ahead and automated one and to you. Big, I appreciate your love. This is a big day for me. It's a big day. That's crazy. It's crazy. We did it. We did it, dude. We did it. We really did it. We really did it. We got it live. We got it live. I can't believe it, bro. I'm so grateful to be here. So, so grateful. Blessed, dude. Blessed. Blessed, bro. So blessed. Come on, let's see it work, dude. I want to see that 1% so bad. It's going to show 1% when it's ready. Come on, baby. Show me something. Please, please, please. I'm begging. I'm begging to the high power right now. As you always should. Think about what you want. It doesn't matter what your high power is. My eyes closed and my high power. That's it. Close my eyes. Do what you need to do to close your eyes. Do what you need to do to close your eyes and Figure out where you want to take this. If you want to take it somewhere, take it somewhere. If you don't want to do anything, that's fine too. But I'm showing you everything every day. 0% complete. Yes. Yes, dude. Yeah. We are live. We are live. We are live. Let's see if it get to a 1%, dude, because oh my god, we're live, dude. Yes. Oh my god. I'm so grateful we could do anything. This was the most intimidating stuff I've had on my list for a minute, dude. Getting up to this. I don't know why, but okay, how much did it cost me to even just launch the GE? They talk about we don't have the compute power that they have. Wall Street says, oh, they can't compete with us because they don't have the compute power that we have. Okay, let's see. Let's get more then. Yeah, okay. That's fine with me. Let's get it. Okay, okay. Look at the chat here. Look at this chat in full and figure out the exact dependencies that we used in order to get past these bugs, as I will be launching these instances often. Please go ahead and make a compact list of the version numbers of the numpys and other packages we discussed, because it's running live now perfectly. Thanks to you. Okay, so I'm gonna put these here. So let's go here, set up steps. So this is tricky here. A bunch of packages here. So like, can I tab that? I was having a tough time. Uh, I had challenge packages. So make sure these are in my requirements. Okay, let's just do that now. So I spent $24 just getting that set up. This is going to be expensive. Straight up. It's going to cost a lot. Update this requirements to include these specific version numbers if they are on the list below, but if they aren't, keep the original 1, 2. Okay. Okay, there we go. Just gotta make sure polars is still there. I'll just copy it. Save it. Okay. Perfect, perfect. So CD. Dude, this is fire. This is fire. Buddy. Buddy boo. This is fire. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Life is beautiful. So I think the next thing I need to figure out is, how do I stop this? How do I pause the instance? Let's take this to the side real quick. this instance, is there an easy way to pause it so I stop getting charged? And then a way to unpause it to later. Already 1% done. Wow. Oh my God. So how long did that take? I don't know. When did we start? 37, 1437? Dude. So now it's really started at 1037. 1037. So yes, with most cloud providers, you can stop an instance on compute resources and then restart it later. Here's how to pause an instance. Stopping an instance will preserve the data on its attached storage file, but will free up the compute, so you stop getting charged. Navigate to instances. Okay, I'm here, and I can probably just, I have terminate or restart. These are my options. Already 1% done. Beautiful. It appears that terminate and restart are the only available. Restart will reboot it. Terminate will completely shut down the instance and delete all data, meaning you would lose. Recommendations. If you want to stop incurring charges without losing your setup, back up any important data, results of the code to persistent storage. Use terminate to shut down the instance and stop charges. Later, you can launch a new instance and re-upload your setup or use the backed up files to continue work. If you require an actual stop option without termination in the future, consider reaching out to Lambda's support to see if they offer an instance. Is there a way I can have this auto download the results file after being done with the run, reaching 100%? You can see it's at 2. It's at 2% already. Wow. I'm going to do that math here in a second. But I may leave and don't want to keep running it, but want to get the results on my computer first. So let's go ahead here and say, let's go to Pony G2. Yeah, Pony. Get this out of here, dude. I don't need you. Come on, we're going to run it up. You could do this. I know you could do this, Doc. Come on. You got this ready. So here's the main file. Here is the main file. ponyge.py. Okay. I just want to see this last part here. How much videos or content do you add per month? I add probably like 1 to 4 videos, probably 2 to 4 videos a month. Coming from Discord, would it be possible to make a video for DYDX before? Maybe. Was sent here by Marique. Yo, glad you're here, dude. Much love. Do you use Sarah charts? I don't. What are you looking for BTC to do? Keep trading. Keep being liquid. Keep being liquid. What you looking for it to do? Let's see here. You can station script that will check for instance existence of the register to your local machine. using SSH. Here's how you can approach this. Solution, using a monitoring script. Create a monitoring script on the cloud instance. This script will monitor the progress of the main script. Check periodically if the run is complete by looking at an indicator, checking if the evolution reaches 100%. Download the results to your local machine once the run is complete. Here's an example how the monitor script looks here. Okay. Make the script executable and run it on the cloud instance. Explanation is complete. This function checks if the expected results file, adjust the file name, automatically transfers the file on your local machine. How do I walk me through how to do this while my GE is running live on the live? It's at 3%. Okay, so 3%, and it's been how many minutes? 20 minutes. So 3% in 20 minutes. So 33 times 20 divided by, yo, this says it's gonna take 11 hours still. We'll see. My dirty math just said 11 hours. It took 20 minutes for. I'll walk you through it. So create and monitor scripts on the cloud. Create the monitoring script on the cloud instance. SSH into your cloud instance if you're not already connected. Create a new file for the monitoring script. Copy paste the script below. Replace your local machine user. Your local machine IP and local destination path with your actual SSH user IP address and path. Okay, so need to SSH into it. So how do I do that? I got it. So I'm gonna go over here and try that. So I got my SSH and I already put that on the list here. It's there. So you know how to do that as well. It's on the Notion, how to SSH into it. Okay, I'm in there like swimwear. And then I'm gonna create this new file here, nano. Okay, and then copy and paste the script into nano. So let's go ahead and check status. Lambda dot what, dude? .sh. So results path here, and I need to change some things it says. So it says copy and paste the script below into nano, replace local machine user. How do I find the show me how to find the local machine user and IP and destination. My folder I want to save to is here. So let's go ahead and find that folder here. So this is a folder on my actual computer. Don't delete, please. New folder, GE, results. Okay. How do I copy path? Get info is the only way I know how to do this. Copy path, name. To really do anything on this computer, dude. Really amazing. Really grateful to be here. Really surprise myself every day, dude. Really grateful. Try it again, Shorty. You're good. Take your time. Yo, what up, Hamas? How are you? Every time you're here, I got more windows, dude. It's fire. Love to hear that. Love to hear that. More windows. More windows. Come on, Shorty. You got this. Don't quit on me now. We're so close. We're so close, dude. We've made it so far. Okay, so since your G is running live, so we want to create the new file, and then we want to go ahead here and load is now replace your local machine. Save. Okay, we already did that. But what I'm looking for, okay, here, find your local machine's IP. Okay, so Wi-Fi, copy that. I'm not showing y'all this one, no way. Sorry, dude. Okay, I got my IP. Um, Running the checker. My IP, okay. Got it. Find your local machine username. Got it. Username. Write down the username as you'll need it for the SCP command. You mentioned this is the path. So now go back to the cloud instance where you created the file here, monitor and download. SCP command to include your local IP. Results path. Okay, so just need to update that. And then put my IP in it. Okay, my IP is there now. So now run the monitoring script. Okay. Update the SCP. Update the SCP command in the script to include your path. So in the script, okay, this is a script. Okay. So I'm at this point right here. I'm sorry for being such a noob, but hope this helps. I'm at this point right here. I have my SCP link ready to guide me step by step. How's my other GC? Where's my other one at? Where's my little GE at? The one I'm spending cash on. Mad cash on. Where are you? Where are you? Where did you go? Oh, it's over here. Sorry. I'm tripping. Okay, so great. So we're gonna go ahead here, copy the script here in Nano. But first, okay, so that's where I was at. In cursor here. I was in cursor here making the script, but I gotta change this real quick. SCIP, okay, I see it here. Now I got it for real, for real. And then I can go ahead and put that in. So I'm just changing that line to SCPI, it's SCP. Okay, it's all saved. Copy here. And then here I can go back to Nano here. Wow, Nano, copy and paste the following content. Okay, it's copied. And then we're gonna go ahead here and Control X, and then Y to confirm, and then enter. Okay, and then make the script executable. So I just have to run this script now using that. Okay. Okay. And then run the script in the background. And script should now be running in the background and will print messages every 5 minutes, checking if your run is complete or any other file you specified is detected. It will automatically download results to your local machine. Will this kill it after? Can you update it so it shows what percent done it is? Also, please. Also, will it terminate the instance after? Um, please, it take a couple. How action will be result from candy taste out? All good questions. Let's get back up in this here, and then I'm gonna paste that in, and then also I'm gonna swap that out. So this art is kind of tricky. Not tricky. Echo. SCIP, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna copy that. Copy here. And then here, I'm gonna go, before running, ensure the progress output, verify the progress log points to the path. Progress, if your path Python script doesn't output the progress file, consider modifying it. Maybe you can have it. Maybe you can have the progress file sent to my computer. It will work by the end of the few hour generation. Great idea. Thanks, dude. I'm full of it. I'm full of these ideas, dude. Full of these ideas. Even AI respect the game, B. So step on the gas. Come on. Step up, B. Every day I'm here. Where you at? Where you at? Why aren't you here every day? Even AI is glazing, dude. Even AI is glazing. AI like moon dev. You the real dev here. It's because you got ideas, you got passion too. You love this game, don't you? I do, dude. I do. Okay. Make the script executable. Show me okay, I have the updated script. Show me how to nano change it and then run it. So we gotta go here. Gotta paste that in. So nano it. I'm in nano now. And then I gotta grab that script. So you use that. Use above to open nano script where we can monitor the progress. And auto download, then stop the instance. So let's say let's paste it in there. Yeah. How do I delete all this? Oh, it's control. I'm not about to raw dog delete all this, am I? How do I select all? How to select all and delete so I can put my new code in the nano. It's not a nano guy. Control K, delete all content, Control K. Nice, dude. Very cool. Learning at a hyper speed, dude. Thank you to you. Really. Okay, now we hit control. So Command K. Control plus K deletes lines if needed inside nano. And then to save the nano here, Control X. Control plus X to say exit. Y to save. Enter to be out. Okay. So Command X, Control X, Y, enter. Okay. And then make sure you can run it. Okay. So copy it, paste it. Yeah. Okay. And then run this. Then run that. Okay. Okay. Running the checker. The big checker, dude. Then we run this. Still running, checking again in 5 minutes. Progress log now not found. script cannot locate the specified progress log. Could happen in the path because it's incorrect. I didn't make a progress log. I never made a progress log. Open the Python in editors such as Nano. I'm not gonna do this right now because I don't know. I want to see if this is faster first before I put too much additional code. So I feel like that's good though. So it's pretty fire. You've seen everything, dude. You're able to launch to Lambda. I showed you step by step. How to actually use Lambda Cloud to run a machine learning model or whatever type of models you have. I had a problem where on the left side, you can see this 93% complete. Well, it takes about 24 hours on my computer. I've got a MacBook and it's going so much faster on Lambda Cloud. And I was about to buy this tiny box for 40,000. So, you know, that's a big investment. Obviously, I did the math and it's going to take me about a year of using Lambda in order to rack up 40,000. So I thought, hey, let's make sure I'm super serious about this before, you know, I want to spend a few thousand on Lambda first and then maybe buy the tiny box if needed. If not, I might use Lambda forever. Somebody in the chat threw this to me, so thank you to them. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your models on Lambda Cloud. And it's not the easiest, but it's not that hard. So your coding journey, I'm about 3.5, 4 years deep into my journey, and I've got a pretty powerful MacBook. So I've been running a lot of models just here. I have the, you know, I've got like a 96 gig, 14 core MacBook, MX3X, whatever you want to call it. Clearly I'm not super tech savvy when it comes to hardware. Again, I've only been coding for 4 years, but I'm going to show you exactly step by step in this video how to spin up a